Hello everyone, my name is Renato Filizola, and in today's video I'm gonna set up a Red Hat network using the terminal. That also works for any CentOS distribution. To start, I'm gonna log in with my root account. I'm gonna enter my password, and then I'll check my IP address with the IP address show command. If you check the line that has ENP0S3, that is my interface. So there is no IP address associated to that interface. There is a specific file that we configure the IP address, network mask, DNS, gateway, stuff like that. So the file is, we have to use the editor, vi, and then we can select the path vi/etc/ sysconfig network -scripts, and then ifcfg -enp0s3. Hit enter, and then I'm inside the file. The first thing I'm gonna check is boot proto. We're gonna change from DHCP to static because it's a server. So servers, we cannot configure a server with DHCP. So it has to be a static IP address. Next line, I'm gonna add this line, IP address, IP addr. And my IP address 192.168.0, I will choose 222. My net mask, which is a class C net mask, so it's 255.255.0. And then I can also say that my first DNS, or my primary DNS, I'll select the Google one, 8.8.8.8. And my alternative DNS, it's DNS2 equals 8.8.4.4. And my gateway, which is my router IP address, 192.168.0.1. I'm not going to use IPv6, so in the line that has IPv6 in it, I'm going to change to no. And the very last line, on boot, I'm going to change from no to yes. So this way, on boot, that's a very important parameter. If I set up on boot equals no, that means even though if I have my IP address, my network mask, whatever I have set up, it's not gonna work on the boot. It's not a load on the boot. It's not gonna load on the boot. So I need to change from on boot, the on boot line, from no to yes. That means that we will enable the interface on the boot. That's all we need for now. I'm gonna save this file. And I will also change my host name. First, I'll check my host name. My host name is localhost, so I can change this in my host name file /etc/hostname. And I remove this, and I'll change to Red Hat server. I'll save it, and I will reboot my server. Let's just wait a little bit more until it's booting up. Okay, I will log in with my root account again. Gonna enter my password, and I will check now again. IP address show. And now I can see in my ENP0S3 interface, there's a line inet 192.168.0.222/24, the IP address I set up. I'll also check the DNS file, which is etc/resolve.conf. And as you can see, the first line means that is my primary DNS, 8.8.8.8. And my alternative DNS is 8.8.4.4. That is the parameter to set up a DNS, name server and the IP address. So I have chosen both IP address from Google. I will check now if I can ping my router. Yes, I can. And very last check, I will check if I can ping google.ca. Yes, I can. I can see right away that the Google's IP address is 142.251.33.163, and I'll check my host name, which is Red Hat server. All good. We have set up a network in a Red Hat distribution that also works in any CentOS distribution, and all good. I hope you guys like. Please give us a like, give a comment, and please subscribe to my channel. Take care, guys. See you later.